What's up everyone, welcome to Avi Films. Today Ben is joining me and the gang and we're going to a secret spot for some 4x4 action. Stay tuned for the journey ahead. So I'm here at Lithgow. Got all the essentials for my breakfast and stuff. I packed everything in the car and guess who rocked up as well? After fucking ages. Yo guys! What's happening bro?
What's up?
Yeah, good man, you? PJ took 10 minutes to park, but finally he got it.
And later on, Ruben is gonna join. Oh, what time is Ruben gonna join?
Ruben is gonna leave the house around 3. And today PJ is gonna vlog as well. We got Praz here. Hey Praz.
What's up?
Tell us a bit about yourself, bro.
My name is Praj, and I'm joining the guys.
Thanks for coming, man.
Thanks for having me.
And you excited for the big adventure?
Yes, very much.
Are you gonna shoot yourself?
Maybe a little.
What are you gonna do? You brought extra toilet papers?
Yeah, heaps.
Yeah. This time we're heading to Lake Lyell for our first 4x4 adventure. My mate PJ and I recently bought our 4x4 cars, but we're no strangers to adventure. In fact, we're Nepos, the sons of the mountain. Ruben, a South African camper, is joining us with Alana. We are past Lithgow, stopped in Lithgow, grabbed all the essentials, food, breakfast, dinner, beverages, everything. And we got a bit hungry, so we went to Macca's, got some nutrients for the stomach. Yeah?
Nutrients from Macca's.
Yeah, absolutely, bro. Double quarter pounder, bro. That's a half of pound of meat.
Put it in and turn it up. Other way.
Just like that. One and the other side. So with this other side as well. Right now it's on auto. And generally with these cars, when you go from 2 high to 4 high or 4 low, this should engage itself. But because mine's faulty, it doesn't. So that's why I have to change from auto to manual, so that it lets the front 2 wheel engage. And once I hear that click, it's good. Once I now switch from 2 high to 4 high or 4 low, 4 of the wheels are working. This is getting all the dust.
We're officially off-road.
Yes, we are smoking PJ at the moment. Originally we planned to go to Hillland, but a bushfire forced us to change our plans the very last minute. Now we're taking on the mountains with no previous experience. So we're following the map to go to the campsite, and now the map's showing us this way. PJ said he's ready for Lake Lyell, so we'll see. You ready for that, bro? That's crazy, bro. I'm saying big fuck that. I'm not going there. Alright, PJ reckons he's gonna give it a go.
Nah, but this is the track, so like if people like look at the trail, people go.
Hey everyone, this is what a ticking time bomb looks like.
Fine, right?
A ticking time bomb, eh?
Ticking time bomb.
Uh-huh.
Essentially what's going on.
Tell us what's happening.
Okay, so what's exactly happening? We're sort of contemplating going down this really hard track.
This is how you do it, bro!
Nice, bro. Alright.
Looks like you're up, dude.
Yeah.
Your turn, Avi.
Benjamin, in the car.
I'm not getting in the car.
Yeah, it's like, if I'm going,
film
then
you,
it's
dude.
doing as well.
I'm not gonna shit myself because I already done it in the bush. So looks like I'm up here.
Mm-hmm.
We got no class, no taste, no shit faced. We got lined up, shot down, firing back, straight crown. We're going up tonight to kick out every light, take anything we want, take everything in sight. We're going till the world stops turning while we burn it to the ground at night.
Alright, now we're here in the campsite, pretty dark. We've covered everything today now we're finally here, but we haven't heard the part from Alana and Ruben. Guys, how was your journey? Easy?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe you guys took the easy part and sent us the wrong part.
Well, we had to send the king of the mountain to his, you know, for a challenge.
Yeah,
It'd be a waste if we gave you the easy route.
yeah. Bro, for us it was, I honestly, I was fucking shaking, bro.
Yeah, dude. Bro, there's some pretty hair-raising spots here, but
Oh,
yeah,
for
especially
sure.
in the dark. There's something else.
Yeah, man.
No, you guys are good.
Alright guys, quickly, can you tell us what's gonna happen now? The plan for the night?
We are going to build a fire
Uh-huh.
and then we're going to cook some dinner.
Cook some dinner, do the fire.
Yeah.
Sounds
Yeah.
nice.
Got to gather some of those wood
Probably have
first.
some wine.
Used to spend my nights out in the ballroom. Liquor was the only love I'd known.
Yeah. I've seen a video on that. And I was like,
I didn't know that, bro.
I was 2 years old as
I
well.
know, it's all, bro.
It's a beautiful dog, man. Like,
The only thing I can think of is the dingo eats the shit and comes and licks at it.
Bro, that's like any dog, bro. You'd be surprised many dogs do things like that.
my dog actually eats cat shit.
You know, we was like
Yeah, I caught it the other day too.
camping and then he's like taking a shit in the bush and then he looks up and there's like the dingo watching him waiting for his minute. He's like,
Licking its lips.
Yeah, the dingo was like waiting there. What the fuck?
We don't sleep when the sun goes down. We don't waste no precious time. All my friends in the loop, making up for teenage crime.
Alright, we had our breakfast and everything. Now we ready to leave the camp. You ready for the day, John?
Yeah, bro.
Ready for some extreme 4x4?
Oh, mate, you know it, bro. You know it.
Nice.
Great outdoors, mate. There will be some good 4x4 in, boys. Don't be worried about that.
Hey, Tank. You guys keen for a swim?
Yeah.
Benjamin there, chilling. How is it? How's the water?
It's warm, bro.
Oh, life is bigger. It's bigger than you, and you are not me. The links that I will go to, the distance in your eyes. Oh no, I've said too much. I set it up. That's me in the corner. That's me in the spotlight, losing my religion.
Alright guys, we're here at our new campsite and it's just by the great Lake Lyell. Here, we made it. Hardcore trail to come here. It's not easy, but definitely a beautiful campsite after a deadly 4x4. So this is our campsite. Hey Ben.
Hey.
How's the drive here? Did you enjoy?
Yeah, it was pretty good actually.
Did you enjoy driving with me?
I did. You're getting more confident too. It's good.
Thanks, bro. Was it scary?
Oh, there was a few parts.
Yes. What are you drinking? on the wines already.
Oh well.
With a cheeky little bit of ice, you know.
All right, let's try some of the Alana's wine. What's this? All for adventure. Cool. What's happening here, big man?
Oh, bro, just blowing up the floats.
Are you working on the floaties, eh?
Working on the floaties, bro. It's a nice warm day. These little floaties, they're gonna hit the river there, bro. There's guys on the jet skis, guys doing some skiing, but we're gonna go and get a good old float party happening.
Awesome. What's happening, boys?
Hey boy, going pretty good.
Yeah? How's the drive here, boys?
Drive here was super technical.
Mm-hmm.
It was full of adventure. By the way, there's this one convoy, fucking with double dips and everything. They're fully rigged out. They chickened out, you know?
Exactly.
Yeah,
that's
they
true.
look at the steep, they were
Uh-huh.
like, nah, we're not doing it. But
Yeah.
I have a patrol, it's fully stocked. Here, Avi has a patrol, it's fully stocked. And we have Ruben, and we have our one mate, Zono. Bro, we did it, bro.
We
That's how
actually
you
did
do
it.
it.
Eh?
That's how you do it, four-wheel drive. You don't need anything special, nothing, you just need to do it, that's it.
You just need a big chunk of balls.
His testicle sack is now so large, he has to wear a huge hoodie upside down instead of trousers.
Going Praz?
Good, bro.
Yeah, you cooking the goods for us today?
Yes, sir.
Nice. That's lunch, chicken. Anything special about this chicken?
This Nepalese chicken curry.
Oh, nice.
Are you a rich man?
What do you mean rich? What do you mean?
You have a lot of possessions? A lot of money in the bank?
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life.
All along it was a field.
Oh, don't let it rip, mate.
Got some poisonous berries.
Oh, that's edible, dude. I ate one earlier. Don't tell me they're poisonous.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah. Dude, they're blackberries, bro.
Really?
Yeah. Eat one, bro. You trust me, Ben?
No, I don't.
Okay, well, you know.
Okay, go for it.
Avi, do you trust me, bro?
I trust you.
Blackberries, bro.
I've eaten them, bro, before.
Blackberries.
Fucking hell.
Hey, did you ever ask yourself why there's so many on the trees while the birds haven't eaten them? It's because they're poisonous, bro.
Does it get any better than this? I don't think so. Alright, we're here. Dinner time. And PJ here cooking us some lamb curry.
The general vibes and stuff.
Oh, the general vibe is pretty good. I had a day where I'm not thinking much. My brain's not thinking and I don't want to think. Like I'm like on standby mode, like sweet stuff, you know?
Yeah.
And I enjoyed that. Four-wheel drive was technical, but sort of easy. I expected more from Lake Lyell. Kidding.
Too easy for you, bro, was it?
Lake Lyell was good, but it's like because we seen the mountains and we lived in the mountains, these hills. It doesn't like phase us, you know. Being in the car, yes, obviously was scary, but let's say some people who came from a flatland and look at the mountain, even to climb or walk, they feel, oh, this is a big mountain. But for us, it's bread and butter.
You know, the doctors, when I was born, some of the doctors said I had the rib cage of a large cat. You know, and that was something you don't hear very much.
It's time to leave and get back to Sydney. All right, let me ask before everyone leaves. All right, had fun? Good times, brother?
Good times,
Yes. Now it's time to leave. It's time to get back to Sydney, eh?
Yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a trek out of here. It's not even like you just leave quick, you know. It's still a couple hours of
Couple?
yeah,
Some hardcore adventure.
yeah, that's it.
All right, let's go.
Go right, we'll see you on the road.
Before we leave, you ready for the trip ahead to get home?
Yeah, man. So what? It's gonna be an hour of four-wheel driving, and then we're gonna go out of this place. So yeah.
Was a
And
good fun throughout the trip, eh?
Yeah, it was like a lot of challenges here and there. The water was good. We had a good floaty session. It's pretty fun.
So Praz, first time camping in Australia what do you say, bro? You doing it more?
Yeah, nothing but fun.
Absolutely.
Clouds are getting black. Time to get out.
Let's go. Doing a photo shoot there. So guys, this is it. The vlog is done. Everyone had fun?
Great.
Yes. Ben, did you?
No. Fucking hated it, bro. It was terrible.
Alright.
I wish I was, you know, anywhere else but here.
That's Ben. Alright. So this is it. We're going, and until next time.
No. Dude, fuck, why didn't I bring my sunnies? Oh my god, that's so romantic. Say it again.
Do you want to wear mine?